Dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Student, today our topic is Chapter 10, CBQ 1 and 2, Lecture Nom 21. Okay, at first we will read the questions. The football field is rectangular in shape. Its length is 100 meter and its width is 7,000 centimeter. This is the stamp. A number, convert the width of the field into meter. That means the given width is 7,000 centimeter. We have to convert this into meter. B number, find the area of the field. Okay student, you see here is given length is 100 meter and we have got from A, width is 70 meter. Okay, we will get after converting centimeter to meter. Okay. C number, what is the perimeter of the football field? That means we know the perimeter of the football field or perimeter of any rectangular field equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay student? Okay, now we will solve. Write A number, given width of the field is 7,000 centimeter. Okay, we know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay, we know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 7,000 centimeter equal to 7,000 by 100, and this will be what? Kilometer. Okay student, look, we know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Therefore 7,000 centimeter equal to 7,000 by 100. Okay, now divide, that is 20 vanish, then we get 70 meter. And 70 meter is the width of the rectangular field. Okay, now write the width of the field is 70 meter. Okay student, in the previous class I will discuss about how can we convert centimeter to meter, okay, and meter to centimeter. You see here meter, you see here this is 7,000 centimeter and we have to convert centimeter to meter. That means smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, so you have to divide by 100. Moreover, we know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay, so I have divided 7,000 by 100, then we get 70 meter is the width. Okay, now B number. In B number question, find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. Right, from A, I have got the width of the field is 70 meter. Okay student, and this is the width, and also given length of the field is what? 100 meter. Okay, We have to find out the area of the field. Therefore, area of the rectangular field. We know area of a rectangular case, what? Area equal to length into breadth. Therefore, area length into breadth or width same. Okay? Length into width. This equal to length equal to 100 and width equal to 70, and the unit of area will be square meter. Okay? Now write here 100 into 70, this is equal to what? 7, and how many zeros? 2 and 1, 3 zeros. Okay student, now write answer 7,000 square meter. C number, what is the perimeter of the football field? Right, from A and B. From A we have got the width is 70 meters. Okay, right, from A we got the width of the field is 70 meters. Also given length of the field 100 meters. Okay, therefore we know perimeter of football field, the perimeter of football field look student, the football field is a rectangular. Okay, therefore the perimeter of football field will be 2 into length plus width. 2 into length plus width. 2 length is 100 and width is 70 and unit is meter. Therefore 2 into 170 is equal to what? 340 meters. Okay, therefore area of the football field, therefore the perimeter of the field was 340 meters. Okay, and this is the answer. Right answer 340 meters. Okay student, now look question number 2. The distance from Arun's house to his uncle's house is 9.8 kilometer. He walks 950 meter to the bus stop. Then he moves 6.5 kilometer on a bus. A number, what is the distance between two houses? Express in meter. B number, how many distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus? How long remains to go to uncle's house? Expressed in kilometer. Look, at first I will solve a number. The distance from Arun house to his uncle's house, right? The distance from Arun house to uncle's house (9.8 kilometers). Now we have to convert kilometer to meter. Okay? We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay? Now 9.8 into 1000. This will be meter. Right here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay? Now 9 for point right here, 1 for 80, 1000 meter, reduce, then you get 100, and 9800 meter. Okay student, therefore the distance from Arun house to his uncle's house is 9800 meter. Okay, and this is our answer, right? The answer 9800 meter. Now in B number question we have to find out how many distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus. Okay, look, Arun travel by bus 6.5 kilometers. 6.5 into, we have to convert at first kilometer to meter. That means 6.5 by 10, then meter, convert, then you get here 100, then 6.5, right here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Student look, 6.5 kilometer, we have to convert now kilometer to meter. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, therefore 6.5 kilometer equal to 6.5 into 1000. Now for point we write here 1 for 50. Divide 1000 by 10. Divide 1000 by 10. We get 100. 100 into 65 equal to 6500 meter. Our question is how many distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus? Right? Arun travels by travel on foot at first. Travels on foot. On foot is 950 meters. 950 meters. And he travels by bus is what? 6500 meter. That means travels on foot is 950 meter. He travels by bus is 6500 meter. Now we have to adding 0, 5, 14, 7. Okay. Now according to the question we have to write here how many distance does Arun travel on foot, right? Arun travels on foot and by bus. Arun travels on foot and by bus is what? 7450 meter. Okay student, and write the answer 7450. Now please see the question C. How long remains to go to uncle's house? Okay, how long remains to go to uncle's house? Express in kilometer. Student, look, Arun travels on foot and by bus is 7450 meter. Okay, and the distance from Arun house to his uncle's house is 9800 meter. Okay, so we know which one is the bigger. Obviously 9800 meter is the bigger. Okay, so to write like this way, the distance from Arun's house to his uncle's house 9800 meter. Okay, and in total Arun travels on foot and by bus 7450, right? 7450 meter. Now question, how long remains time? Okay, therefore remaining distance is equal to what? Now subtract 0, 5, you have 1, 5, then 3, that means remaining distance is 2350 meter. Okay, but question is express the remaining distance as kilometer. Okay, right here 2000 remaining distance remaining distance 2350 meter. We have to convert this meter to kilometer. Then 2350 by 1000, and this will be kilometer. 1 2 3 1 2 3, that means 2.350 kilometer. Okay student, therefore the remaining distance is 2.350 kilometer. Write the answer 2.350 kilometer. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic and today's class. You have to keep practicing at home. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.